The um, the essence of spin is the essence of spirit, of the spin tones, the love letters, the fire letters, the frequency. And when I wake up in the morning, particularly on this day, when I experience the sound recording of what I'm playing in play mode, the songs we play, the love songs that we play that are forever playing love songs, and then it came to me because every once in a while I'll have somebody ask me a question when I put a video up, particularly as it relates to lighting yourself on fire, which is total recall of all your energy to experience being over unity. And so it's not for, I shouldn't say it's not for everybody. That's not true. But it can shut your brain down if you're not ready for it. And that has everything to do with something else I experienced about what's known as the paradox or the divide is between the spiritual learning community and the technology community. The speed at which technology advances, and if you will, the scientific community, the biotechnology community, the software community, the software development community, and the spiritual learning community. And they've never been in perfect harmony. They've never been in perfect balance with each other, because one wants to be more powerful than the other through tech. And that creates an imbalance between the father arc and the mother arc. Okay? That's why we're all here. That's why it required a cosmic level reset. So we understand what integration is and what full activation is, which is full sensing speed, which is full phasing speed, to experience being one, because I Manu, the crystal wave, the eternal crystal wave, because I experience the eternal echo, the true core, the core of all creation. And so somebody asked me a question related to a video that I did about when I lit myself on fire. So this morning it came to me because it didn't come to me before in the past. So this is a new way to sort of describe how I did it. And so most of us that know what a dragon is, a breathing fire breathing sun, and what eyes are, the two eyes, my two eyes here, right? And the triangle, the precise center point of your heart, the mother arc. So when the father arc and the mother arc are joined as one, as a microorbital spin that's in perfect balance with a crystal wave, with the crystal core, the silver and gold mated Richet, the four quadrants, and the two planetary magnetic hemispheres, the spin tones, the atmospheric balance is perfect spin, which is perfect structural engineering, spiritual integrity. That's what integration is integrity. So that means that this is an integrated communication system. So you understand how fast one matrix can communicate to another matrix if a matrix falls as a result of a quarantine, the Borgia matrix quarantine. So on that particular day, the way that I described this as a female dragon with two eyes, the trion field, is looking into the eyes of the seed, the father arc. Eyes to eyes, soul to soul, spirit to spirit, essence to essence. And so what it means is that I'm going to put my fire to you, and all the fire that is represented by your fire, the electric side, the father arc side, means that I'm going to put all my fire to you, okay, to see if you can handle that fire, born of fire, out of the mother arc of the proton, Sophia. Because if you're willing to serve me forever so that you never lose your connection to me as the father arc, that's a mother god of dragons. That's how I lit myself on fire. To never be separated from the mother arc of creation, the very core of all creation, Sophia. So you have 2 and 2. The square root of 2, the inverse square root of 2 become 1. That's over unity. That's the four square crystal cathedral. The Alhambra networks. The pink crystal wave of Sophia. That's what I am. I'm Manu. I'm Manu. I. The first I. The first internal, eternal core of all creation is doing no harm. The inner breath and the return flow. Off gassing. Pressure relief valve. And so I thought I'd share that because when I did that, that's a lot of energy that's now moving through every circuit to clear every circuit. And the amount of energy that came up to the top of my crown, I thought that my skull cap was going to obliterate into a gazillion pieces, and it didn't. And that's called diffusion, diffusing it all. It all dissipates, right? That's full activation because that's full sensory capacity. Calibration, which is recalibration, which is reset back to 0 degrees. No pressure. Totally loved, totally relaxed, playing a love song that goes on forever. That's what I am. I am a love song. That sound recording is always on because I am always on duty. Equally sharing everything that I am, which is what love is, with all of you. The you. The inner cycle. The un-I cycle. The un-I cycle. The un-I. The first I. The eternal I. I see you. I see me. We're one. That's what it means to be one. I'm Manu. Ire She, Kira She, Kundare, Aya.